Hey! In front of me is CUBOT Max 3, and today I would like to show you how you can add face data on this smartphone. First of all, just open Settings and tap on Security section. Now click on Face Unlock and enter your current screen lock. Following that, you need to select More at the bottom right corner and choose Agree at the bottom right corner as well. Then choose Start and keep your face in frame. After that, you need to select Done at the bottom right corner and choose Home button. Now when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!